Certified stunt driver. That is the story post from Hayden Deegan. If you missed this, he was arrested for street racing or stunt driving, whatever you want to call it. And as I'm looking this up, I'm assuming this is in Florida because that's where I think, pretty sure he resides. The Florida statute, or in Florida, a first time offense for street racing can result in a fine ranging from $500 to $1,000. Now, obviously, that is nothing, whatever. He, that's pocket change, pull it out and pay it, don't even worry. Now, the other parts of this, a 1 year's driver's license revocation, which means, hey, you can't drive for a year. And that's the big part of it. And also, and up to a 1 year in jail. Now, I highly doubt he's going to get a year in jail, but mostly it's going to be the, driver's license for a year. Going to and from the track, you're going to have somebody come pick you up. You're going to have your friend drive you, your parents come and get him. Who knows how that's going to work? Uh, flying to races and back from races. I'm assuming obviously he'll be with the team. That one's probably the easiest part, but it's just going to be the day-to-day thing. And let's be honest, he's what, 18, 19 years old with an Audi R8. This was probably what, it was late at night, as far as I'm looking at this. So it was more than likely he was out. Somebody told him to rev it, and I mean, it says booking date at 11:26 p.m. So yeah, that was a Saturday night or Friday night at 11:30 at night. Either had some girl in the car was trying to impress her, or was driving around and some people saw the car, tried to tell him to, rev it or go fast or race him, and he took the bait. And well, that's not very good. Yeah, it was violation for street racing slash stunt driving, which, whatever, who knows. Oh, it was a booking date. Sorry. The booking date was 11:26. This was at 9:58 at night. It's not even that late. I'm actually reading the number here. Obviously out on the bond amount of 1,000, that again, the money doesn't matter. This is not going to hurt him in any way, shape, or form. It's just funny that he literally posts it on his Instagram story with the Bad Boys song going and certified stunt driver next to it. This is the stupid shit, man, that you don't need to be doing. Like, this won't in any way affect his racing. This isn't going to affect him with the team in any way. It's not drunk driving. He didn't hit anybody. I mean, granted, that is always a possibility if you're driving fast enough to get a a street racing violation. That is, that's not 10 or 15 miles an hour over. That's probably 25, 30 miles an hour over. That is, they don't just give you that for speeding. That is for doing either something very stupid or going very, very fast. And who knows? I didn't even know this happened. Somebody posted in a comment that you should do the Deegan release statement. I was like, what are you talking about? So I looked it up and, a little Google search and found that. I was like, well, man, he's not having a very good day, I guess. Yeah, so, I mean, the biggest thing, like I said, the loss of license. Obviously, there's people are going to hate him for this because, stupid young kid with a fast car doing dumb things. And yeah, it is. Stupid kid doing stupid things with a lot of money in a fast car. And, everyone makes their stupid mistake. And, you gotta say the good thing is hopefully this is the one time. Hopefully nobody gets hit, nobody got hurt. This is just he got pulled over, and this is going to be the 1 year of education, let's put it that way. But I don't know. There's not really much to say about this, but comment down below. Tell me what you think. Who's gonna win in Birmingham? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really just helps me out. I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.